guys, don't judge my room because I've been sick and I'm also pulling things out of my closet to sell because I have too many clothes. But anyways, I'm here to cut my hair. Also, I'm on my bed, so like my bed's like right there. So yeah, this is what I mean by I don't have any place to film, like, with good lighting. So my window is, like, here, and then I don't have any other windows, so. But hopefully this video turns out good, because I have actually recorded multiple haircutting videos, but I'm like, I don't know, I see the lighting and it pisses me off, or I don't explain well enough. So let's hope that this video actually goes up. Now my hair doesn't look very seen right now, but trust me, I'm gonna get there. Also, if you're gonna cut your hair, make sure it's kind of dirty. This is just an updated version of cutting my hair because the other one, I don't like to watch it. Now in the last video, I did give like a lot of good tips and tricks. Honestly, now I just kind of do it. I don't know, because it's a little bit different than before, because I wasn't cutting like I don't know, my spiky things. God, my hair is greasy, but that's good, that's okay, because that's what we're gonna need. Make sure it's kind of like greasy and stuff so you can, I don't know, it just helps me. So now you can see I got a bunch of short things happening. And those are what I'm gonna chop a little bit shorter because I want to have the spikes. I want them to be up. I want to look like a peacock. Hold on, let me give you a view of where my bangs and stuff start. Now, it's kind of weird because all your hair kind of is supposed to go to this side, but like all of the hair that like goes to this side is all over here. But those are kind of like where my shortest layers are. I'll do a little spin. So next, you're gonna wanna take them. Try not to cut off a whole bunch all at once. There's about 3-ish layers. Also, move your like swooshy swoosh to the side because we're not gonna need her for a little bit. And you're gonna wanna take it. And you're gonna just fucking chop it. You kind of just take it from that kind of middle side section where your hair does the whoosh part, and you chop it. And I cut it so it's kind of choppy like that. You see that? Choppy. I don't know how to explain things very well. I just kind of do them. Then you're just gonna kind of do this, and it kind of hurts. Someone asked me, I think I've gotten this question quite a bit actually. They asked, how do you be seen without your parents knowing? Tell them it's not really a bad thing, it's just kind of like a fashion thing. And it's not like you're getting anything permanent. Like, you don't need tattoos or piercings to be seen. You can just, like, you know, enjoy the style and put like candy on and stuff and wear colorful clothing. However, they might think that it's kind of like, I don't know, gothish? I don't know. My mom was always pretty supportive when I was doing this type of thing because she herself was kind of a punk type person when she was younger. She's done all the things like shave her head and stuff like that. But even like hair, it grows back, so I don't know. You can, if they really don't like you doing it, then just wait till you're, you know, 18 or something, then do your hair however you want it, because, you know, you're an adult or whatever. But I'd say, even if you want to do like a subtle scene type thing, just get like side swept bangs. And you don't even need this part, or like just say you want bangs and then layers. And there you go, it's seen, but like really subtle seen. And also the thing I like about having short hair here, when you style it and stuff a bunch, then you're gonna end up just cutting it off anyway, like all the dead ends and stuff. Cause it's short hair, you're gonna want it to be short, you know, so. And then I think we'll keep that part kind of long. I don't know. I like that. Okay. I look kind of ridiculous, but ooh, see, I like when it does that. But yeah, because it just kind of like pokes up. See that? It's cute. And then if I want it to be just normal, then I can have it back to normal. And then if I want it up like a peacock, then I can have it up like a peacock. And if you don't have parents' permission, and you're just going to do this anyways, because I know I would be like that, start off small, just give yourself bangs, probably, like, just cut some bangs, you know, and then see how that goes. And you know, if you do it good, then that helps. I feel like that would help ease your parents into letting you have your hair cut the way you want it. I've been thinking, since you can't really see it that well, but there's still green in my hair. There's still green in my hair. So I was thinking that I should dye my hair on this side. So I have an actual freaking teasing comb, and let's just see how that turns out. So I teased it up. Not super well though, because I didn't like style it or spike it or anything. Took me like 10 seconds, but it teases up and it looks nice when I want it to. So if you need to find a seed mate, put up your peacock feathers and strut around. You'll find one. Maybe. Who knows? We're kind of extinct. Turn on the bell notifications, subscribe, and like this video, and also comment. RAWR XD, and I'll see you guys in the next one.